Mosquito babies. How many have you saved? See, the pool is fun in a lot of different ways. What is that?
It's a mosquito.
I don't know if that's a mosquito or some other larva. It's reddish. What are you doing? What are you doing, Barry?
Maybe a little more.
It needs to be like.
Oh no!
It needs to.
It's tipping over!
Oh, the volcano! Oh, look what's happened! It's flooding the townspeople are doomed.
They're not doomed.
They're totally doomed.
No? Look! Thanks to my dad, they're perfectly safe.
It came after you!
Wait, one sec, stop. I need to make.
Not too high. Oh,
It stopped when it touches the ground.
yeah.